These things. As you can see, the weather is somewhat damp. I'm about to go check out some RVs. My stepdad's working a show for insurance and just all the RVs. Hopping in one of these bad boys real quick and filming before anybody walks in and makes you look like a weirdo in a RV filming yourself. I want this one. This one's freaking awesome. Deer hunting rig right here. You're set. Put your four-wheeler on the front like you just saw, and look at that nice little sitting area. Okay, doesn't have a shower, but this is obviously not designed to stay in very long. Just to go to deer camp for the weekend and hang out, which is.
Almost kissed. Yeah, I can't.
I'm gone from the RV show. It's no longer Saturday, it's Monday, and I'm headed out to get my trail camera. Really not looking forward to it. It's kind of a bummer. But what a sad, sad deal. This tree right here has been giving me trouble for months now. There's a four-wheeler trail through here, and keep on having to go around this tiny little spot, but as you can see, this thing's really long, so I always have to back up like 5 times, but we are going to solve that problem today. Alright, now that's not just totally in my way. Run low on bar oil, so I'm gonna have to wait to cut the whole thing up. But it's 3 days later, I'm back at the house. Hadn't been doing a whole lot, been doing a bunch of homework, reading these books here, and a bunch of other silly stuff that is really not exciting. Me and Emily are going to Park City on March 19th to the 22nd. I look forward to shooting that. And after that, turkey season is going to be coming up. Super excited about that. And I'll have some cool stuff in between now and then. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, go check out some of my other videos. Subscribe, but I'll be back. Y'all take it easy.